Play.
Okay, now we're going to operate the compressor in automatic operation. This is the manual to automatic switch. We're going to switch to automatic. Assuming the low pressure cut in is the switch, the compressor will start. The compressor is now running, and the unloader valve will energize after the specified time. Now, assuming the tank in the receiver is now already pressured the high pressure cut out switch, the compressor will stop. Okay, now we're going to try the alarm system first. In automatic operation, we're going to trigger the cut-in switch so the compressor will run. We'll wait for the unloader valve to energize. Now we're going to try the low oil pressure switch. When it is activated, we have the light and the buzzer. It will be activated. So that is our core alarm circuit. Now I'm going to activate the low oil pressure switch. Okay. Set. So the compressor stops. Then we have the light and buzzer. Again, we're going to run the compressor, assuming the cut-in switch is triggered. We'll wait for the unloader valve to close. And we're going to try the air high temperature switch. When it is activated, the compressor should stop. Okay. So that completes the entire circuit for the main air compressor using PLC.
Name.